don't know what he's got, but he's got something. Whoa, that is a big fish. Holy moly. Oh! Where'd he go? Oh my gosh. This is the Papa Bear. Somewhere. Still got him? Whoa! Is the thing gonna break?
No, it's fine. Switch out.
Whoa. That is cool. He's huge. Is that a bass?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I lost him, hang on. Oh my gosh. Get him, hurry. Holy mackerel, Oni. Oh, that guy's not small. Oh, what's on his head? Whoa. That's a big mouth. Is he heavy? Inside his mouth. Whoa. Whoa. Looks like a shark.
Get me the pliers, please. Actually. Got it.
Oh my gosh, hang on. Where did I put my camera at?
Take a picture with this one. I gotta put him back in the water.
Okay. Wow. Hang on, hang on. Wait, you're distracting away. Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
Now, Mr. Stevens.
Oh,
How do you feel about yourself?
pretty good. Feels like a job well done right there.